We're Designing Spaces, the show that's all about you and your space, your home and surroundings. I'm Debbie Marie. Today, we continue our Smart Home, Safe Home theme. We'll be presenting topics to help you live smarter and keep your family more safe. We'll conduct a homeowner's insurance checkup to see if all the right things are covered. Also, a fire-resistant building product, plus deep cleaning your carpets and upholstery. And we have an interesting project for all you do-it-yourselfers. So stick around and see it all right here on Designing Spaces. The proper and effective deep cleaning of carpets and upholstery on a regular basis is one of the biggest contributors to a more healthful indoor environment. It's both smart and a step that you can take for health safety. To better understand professional quality carpet cleaning, look at this. There are times when we really need the help of professionals. For example, cleaning our carpets for a healthy home environment requires equipment and expertise beyond the scope of most homeowners. But how can you be sure that the carpet cleaning company you are bringing into your home is professional and qualified and will get the job done right?
Carpet cleaning technicians and companies are not all the same, and it's important for homeowners to be able to know the difference in order to make an educated decision to bring in a company that is certified and trained to appropriately deliver the services of cleaning that they expect.
When selecting a carpet cleaning service, trustworthiness is a major concern, and that includes incredibly low prices. All too often, what seems like a deal too good to be true turns out to be exactly that.
Many times consumers that are hiring carpet cleaning companies are brought into looking at ads that are provided either through magazines, flyers, even on the internet that provide and offer low prices, $39.95 for 3 rooms, when actually a lot of those services should have been included in the original price. An honest, trained, certified firm are going to include those costs, and they're going to be disclosed up front, so there's no surprises on the back end for the consumer.
To assure consumers that the carpet cleaning service they hire meets a set of standards, the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certification stands as an organization that helps assure quality, trustworthiness, and peace of mind.
They are a standards writing body and a certification institute that's been established since 1972, so they've been around a long time. They also provide and approve schools in which qualified instructors provide training and certification for technicians in a variety of different restoration and cleaning elements, such as carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, water damage, and mold remediation. The IICRC also provides training and certification for professionals in the inspection of hard surfaces and textile categories as well.
There are tens of thousands of carpet cleaning services across the country, but only 6,500 have obtained certification by the IICRC. Being certified tells consumers that they have invested their own time and money to be trained and have technical knowledge and expertise to be a truly professional carpet cleaning service.
Certified firms are required to abide by and sign the code of ethics that the IICRC requires. They are also required to have certified technicians on the job site of the services they perform. They're also required to maintain continuing education credits so that their training is updated and current. And they have to also provide a complaint policy that deals with any type of complaints consumers may have. There must be a way to properly address that and be able to provide absolution to that.
But how does a consumer know if a cleaning firm is certified?
The IICRC service mark informs the consumer that they are hiring a certified and qualified firm to come in and perform the cleaning services for which they expect. They're bringing in certified technicians that will meet or perhaps even exceed their expectations for the cleaning services that they're being hired for. You can go to IICRC.org. They have a website in which there's a consumer tool that you can use to locate someone just by looking in your zip code. You can find a certified firm close by that can provide those certified skills and certified services that you're looking for.
For more information on the Institute of Inspection, Cleaning, and Restoration Certification, visit the website IICRC.org. Be sure to visit designingspaces.tv, where you can see this portion of the show again by clicking on the appropriate video. We're out of time for today, but thanks for joining me here on Designing Spaces, the show that's all about you, your living spaces, and your lifestyle. I'm Debbie Marie, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.